Sometimes people think it's a digital and nature is completely against each other's. But at the same time, we think it's in the digitals and the nature it's quite easy to it's merged because it's our paint is light, so we don't destroy of this nature itself, but we don't paint of this trees or it's a rock, and our paint is light, so at the daytime it's going to be disappeared. And it's the leaf. It seems like just only the greens, but for us, it's a screens. So like we could use them as like screens and the canvas. The forest in the summer is become like it's a super rich canvas for us. Like at daytimes maybe ignored, but at nighttime it's become artworks. But the people realized of this, some kind of this, beauty. Sometimes we didn't even realize that.